We need to have a tremendous transformation that is not going to take place unless extraordinary efforts are put into it. The questions are many, not only how to do it, but when and with what sources of support to do it. So it's not only a question of money, but we need to define ways that for money to flow actually into, which is very important, into the least bankable things, which are those things that are most needed, because there's a lot of money to do sustainable investment, but new investments in building renovation need new forms for that money to flow. We have discussed that the cities must get together to do that, especially in the case of cities that are not big. They need to be together to gather resources, but also to have a strength in front of our national governments and European government. The second thing is to introduce financial vehicles and products that can make the evolution to the climate neutral cities to happen. Because right now we're far away from it. The speed we have is very small. So basically I would say that cities need to be transformed internally, need to be together, and we need to work on instruments, financial instruments that can make it possible. I think we'll be able to make some of the things we've heard here evolve. There's the possibility for a big fund for the cities, directly addressed to cities, and also we presented some financial instruments that could have a good evolution. So we need to work on that, but in a more coordinated manner.